Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the IR blaster as a remote control on the POCO M8. So on the POCO M8, if we go to the top, we have this little dot right here. And this little dot is an infrared blaster, which means that it can send infrared signals. So we can use this phone as a remote for pretty much anything that uses infrared light. And to use this option, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Mi Remote app. This is what it looks like. So let's tap on it. And here we can add a device. So what we have to do is tap on the plus icon on the top right. And then select what device we want to control. So I'm going to select a TV. So let's say we want to control a Samsung TV. So we just look up Samsung, tap on that, and then ask if is the TV on. So it can be either on or off. If it's on, press on. If it's off, press off. I'm going to select off. And it's going to ask us to point the remote to the TV and to tap the button. So once we tap it, let me just demonstrate. If we tap it, as you can see, it sends out a signal. And once we tap the button, it's going to ask us if the device is turned on. So we need to go through this process to figure out what signals to actually send out. And there are a few options. So if the PC or if the TV didn't turn off or on, you can press no and just keep doing that until it actually does turn on or off or reacts any sort of way. So let's say it worked. We're going to do the third configuration. Yes, it did turn on or off. And here we have the edit option. So we can name our device. We can set up what room it's in. We can do living room. And we can do check mark to confirm it. And this is what the remote will look like. So you have different remotes for different devices. And this is the remote for Samsung. And as you can see, with every tap, the IR blaster activates. And that's pretty much it. You can now use this as a remote. Just point at the TV and tap the buttons. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.